Hello, everyone, and welcome to You Are Unique Yoga. I am Marlene. Today, we're going to do our 78th yoga asana known as the side lying corpse pose. Now, the benefits of this pose is that you're lying on your right side. It may lower blood pressure, help blood circulation, activate the right side of the brain, and also lying on the left side improves digestion. Avoid this pose if you have abdominal surgeries, high blood pressure. Always consult with your healthcare provider before you practice any nutritional or exercise plan. And also avoid all pregnancies. We'll see you on the mat. Okay, so we're going to come and do this pose, which is a nice pose, and just come in Sukhasana sitting for a little bit. And we're just going to get a little connected to ourselves and our mind and just get connected to our breath before we do this pose. And we just sit in any neutral form that you like that is comfortable for you. We're just going to be here just for a few seconds. Just come to our breath and calm our minds. And just slow, nice, easy breaths. Nothing too hard. And close our eyes. We just will be here just for a few seconds so that we can get a little connected. Just easy breaths in and out. And just follow your breath and sit up nice and tall. Just brings our hands together. Just rub it a little bit. Open our eyes and cover them. Now, this pose is a really nice pose to do. I kind of like it for some time, and it's very simple and it's very easy. So, what we're going to do, we're going to come to our backs. It is the side lying corpse pose, and we're going to come to our backs. Really nice. And put your arms out flat, almost like you're just stretching a little bit. And you're going to have your arms on the side, really nice. And your shoulders relax, not up at the neck, just lined up really nice and soft. We're going to bend in the knees. Bend the knees in with our feet just relaxed. And we're going to take ourselves and we're going to go over to the side, lift, and we're going to put our hands right pretty much on the mat here. And we're going to take our right arm and put it right underneath our head. Just adjust yourself so that you can feel all the limbs just connecting with one another. And your right arm is on the mat and straight up form. And your left hand is on the mat. And just breathe normal with normal breaths. And your head is resting on the elbow. Now, this is the left, we're pretty much on the left side here, which is really a nice sleeping side as well. Because everything gets connected, everything is connected, your breath is connected, your muscles, your lungs, everything is pretty much lined up really nice and flowing through. You can close your eyes if you like, or you can leave them open. and put your hand pretty much by where your rib cage is. Now this video is going to be short today. And just take that relaxing moment and just feel how it feels. You will notice that your breath will become even deeper. The lungs and heart will expand. Really nice. And to come out, we'll take our hands and lift up a little. And come out. And we're going to switch to the other side. Lie down. Arms to the side. And bend in the knees. And slide over to the right side. Bring your arm up. And your hands over. Now you'll probably find this side a little bit more comfortable than the other side. And your head's nice straight. And your right arm is really like straight up in the air. And your arms to the side. Just breathe normal and relax. Now you don't want to lie down too long on your arms because you don't want to put too much pressure on your ear that's against your arm. So sleeping like this for long term, it's not really a good idea to do. But if you're just resting and you want to rest for a few moments, you want to take a breather, and you just need to lie down, this is one of the best poses to do when you're under a lot of stress and you feel like you just need to relax a little bit. Just make sure that everything is calm and nice when you do this, because you don't want your pressure to be too high or anything like that when you do this. So it's best to come to a nice calming state and just rest. And to come up, lift your hand up, pull yourself up, elbow to bring up, and come into Sukhasana. And there you have it. That was our 78th Yoga Asana, which is the lying side lying corpse pose. I hope you like this video, and we will see you next time on the mat.